In this video, we will discuss the 5 adjustable dumbbells on the market. After watching the video, you can decide which one is best for you. If you want to know more information on these products, don't forget to check the links in the description down below and subscribe to the channel for future updates. So let's get started. Number 1. Enzo PowerDyne Adjustable Dumbbell. The Enzo PowerDyne Adjustable Dumbbell is a versatile fitness tool that brings the gym experience to your home. This innovative dumbbell offers an impressive weight range from 5 to 80 pounds, adjustable with a simple turn of a dial. What sets it apart is the thoughtful design, allowing for 2-pound increments in the first 15 pounds, perfect for those looking to gradually build strength or rehabilitate from injuries. Space efficiency is a standout feature of the PowerDyne. By replacing multiple dumbbells, it declutters your workout area, making it ideal for home gyms or compact spaces. The non-slip grip handles enhance safety and comfort during lifts, while the durable molding around the iron plates ensures quieter workouts, a considerate touch for apartment dwellers or early morning exercisers. User-friendliness is at the forefront of its design. The mechanism to change weights, unlocking and pulling out pin boxes, then rotating the handle grip is intuitive and quick, allowing for seamless transitions between exercises. Number 2. NUOBELL Adjustable Dumbbells. The NUOBELL Adjustable Dumbbells are a game-changer for home fitness enthusiasts. These innovative weights offer an impressive range of 5 to 80 lbs, adjustable in 5 lb increments, making them suitable for beginners and seasoned lifters alike. The Swiss engineering shines through in their smooth, consistent performance, eliminating the awkward shifting often associated with adjustable dumbbells. One of the standout features is the significant space and cost savings. By replacing up to 16 pairs of traditional dumbbells, the NUOBELL set can save users over $3,000 while freeing up valuable floor space in home gyms. The custom cradle is a thoughtful addition, securely holding the weights and facilitating quick adjustments between sets. The construction quality is evident in the steel plates and knurled handles, providing a premium feel and secure grip during workouts. Number 3. Annzoe Olympic Dumbbell Handles. If you've got a traditional Olympic lifting setup, you may not even need a full set of dumbbells. For people with Olympic weights, a set of Olympic dumbbell handles is a great option. And Annzoe's Olympic dumbbell handle is one of the best of the bunch. These heavy-duty chromed stainless steel handles are fitted with Olympic heads that fit weight plates with the traditional 2-inch holes. This allows you to load up to 300 pounds per pair, which is ideal if you want to perform heavy deadlifts, lunges, or shoulder shrugs. The collars are ribbed to minimize slippage, and each handle comes with 2 screw-down clamps to secure the plates. There have been user reports of the clamps creating small divots in the collar ridges, but there should be little effect on performance. Keep in mind that these are only dumbbell handles. If you don't already have weight plates, you're going to be stuck with 2 8-pound weights. But if you're already kitted out, Annzoe's Olympic dumbbell handle will add a lot of versatility to your home gym at minimal monetary and spatial cost. Number 4. Ativafit Adjustable Dumbbell. Ativafit's adjustable dumbbells can go from 11 to 66 pounds per dumbbell with the turn of a dial. To adjust the weight, users simply have to press the red button on one end of each dumbbell and twist the dial to the desired weight. As far as manually adjusting dumbbells go, it's hard to get simpler than this. Each dumbbell has a button and dial so that you can swap out the weights quickly. The iron plates are durable and tough, and the rubber-coated handle enables a slip-free grip. One caveat with the Ativafit's adjustable dumbbells is the lighter weights are at the farthest end of the dumbbell head. This means the weight will be farther away from the grip if you're at the lightest setting. This creates a longer pivot arm and can cause instability during dynamic movements. Number 5. Amazon Basics Dumbbell. Looking to stock your home gym but don't have a Planet Fitness budget? It's no surprise Amazon has you covered with its Basics line. The Amazon Basics rubber-encased hex dumbbells are, at a glance, similar to the Rogue hex dumbbells but at a much lower price. The hexagonal heads are encased in rubber to minimize damage to the dumbbells and your floor if you drop the weight. And the knurled chrome-plated handle is grippy without sacrificing comfort. Like any bargain, there are sacrifices. First and foremost, they're sold as singles, so don't purchase one and expect a pair to come in. It sounds like a no-brainer, but people have reported receiving one when they expected 2, so just know that you need to actually order 2 to get a pair. Also, we've seen reports the actual weight of the dumbbells can vary. You may purchase 2 50-pound dumbbells and have a 49-pound and 48-pound dumbbell show up. All products pricing and updates mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Stay updated with our excellent product and makes your life much easier. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good day. Thank you.